Good night. Wow, thank you, Ate MJ. May mahabol. Good night. Okay, good night. Love you guys. You wrote this fall out of love for okay. Romantically. Choosing to love your friends is putting effort in actually spending time with them and listening to them. And yeah, it's quality time. How happy your life is right now. All of our girls, we both know it's no more. I watched the series na rin ng Demon Slayer. Ayun, si Zenitsu and Nezuko. Hindi si Nezuko. Hindi si Nezuko. I mean, though favorite ko rin siya sa girls. Pero sa...
Mahingang malalim for Aya. Kasi, I have so much chika, guys. So, I have so much chika. Anyways, if we reach 50K, I'm gonna show you first, like, oh, ay, bulag na ako.
Hug. Okay, let's hug. Bye-bye, Blooms. Thank you so much for staying in my Kumu live. Thank you for watching me. Get ready. Kahit late na po ako, kakayanin natin to. And I hope that you guys... Mag-screenshot na ba tayo? Okay, mag-screenshot tayo. Hindi eh. It's not giving. Dapat kaya ito. Ito na, screenshot. Wala akong naalala. Teka. I'm gonna go live. Mag to 3 hours na ako. Ang OA. Ang OA. It's not giving. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah. Feel better. You guys can like rant or something. Every little thing you do. Hey baby, stays on my mind. And can't nobody do it like you. I'm missing you. I've been on this heartache, could escape. But I've wanted long enough to know the way until then. So amazing, it's not a fate. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride, your love. Nakakahinga pala. Pagbigyan niyo na ako. Pagod na ako. My lungs give out. I promise till death we part, like in our vows. So I write this song for you. Now everybody knows that it's just you and me until we're gray. No, just say ever. I wanna dance with you right now. True love is beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you'll get better. You'll make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you. If the wind and my sail on the sea stays behind me. One day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Wow! Oh my God! Thank you, Curly Fries! Wow! Nakakagulat. Thank you po. Oh my God, thank you. Ten. Ay! May live na si Ate Aya. I-end ko na to, mga baliw. Sorry, Ate Aya, hindi alam ng Blooms. Meron nga! Kaya siya siguro pumunta dito. Alam mo, kung BGY out lang ako, kung lalaki lang ako, kayong lahat BGY. Charot. Siyempre, aces, kapag pinost sa Twitter, joke-joke lang to, di ba? Bardagulan would see. I stay you ba this weekend? Anong gusto niyo? Lala Lost You or Lavian Rose? Pwede mo ako mahal? We are forever. Gagawin ko lang yung from first to rap. Paano naman yung pink Aralin ko na next time, Blooms, kasi hanggang 9:30 lang ako. Ayoko masayang yung oras. Hindi ako ganun kabilis mag-aral. Thank you, Blue Shane! And you said, don't worry, 'cause you got me. I'm saying right here. Last 7K. Ano Tagalog ng charger? Kamiss ang R&B old school, especially Neo. Yes, I know. Songs are really good. Mahilig ko ba sa R&B songs? Yes, super. Thank you, Kuya Ethan, for Diamond Shower. Last 9K na lang. Oh my God.
Good night. Okay, please huwag kayo mag-focus sa tsaka ko. At tsaka ko today, hulas. Good night.
I won't be the only one that can make me. You can't blame me. Swear once you get a taste, you gon' take my place and you love me crazy. I'ma be mad till you get me back in them arms. You're wrong, but it's right. Black top, no night. Pink top like Fat Man. Back south of a mine and the
CFA minor, G mabilis at something. Sa iyong mga mata, aamin yung pagkausap ka, ako'y kapagpapang pag-ibig na kaya, ito pa ang simula. Pero Christmas o tadhana, ikaw na ang bahala. Tulala sa kawalang, nabigla akong sa kawalan, nabigla mo akong tinapik, nagulat na bigla. Naman lang sa akin tumigil. Sabi mo, I like you, pero I think I like you.